So in this video, we are going to learn about what is the meaning of body language, how the body language project ourselves and in communication around us. See this slide, body language. The first one, if you say something to somebody, they always explain about your matter. If you say something to this person, he is very eager to hear, but he doesn't know whether he is to perceive or not. And this is, they just hear, they won't give importance. Here, whatever if you say something to somebody, they think always they are telling like this. What is this? Okay, like that pose. And this is, you say something, I will lay down. So this is some of the body language pose. You can see this picture. One person is handshaking with another person. And if you look after the facial expression, both of them are laughing. So it is a good sign of body language. If you handshake with others, then your facial expression must be in positive way. Suppose if you communicate through visuals, the visual will mean the topic, or it will give the meaningful information to the audience so that they are able to correlate the context with the current topic. Suppose if you are addressing a gathering, that is speaking or vocal presentation, your voice must be clear and words are pronounced well with proper modulation. So these are the basics of communication. See these pictures. Do you know what they are saying? So this is just listening. He is listening to others. He is from his eye. You can see it is very sorrow, and this is happiness, and this eyesight. They will listen you. They will think of that. They will predict the answer also. So body language, non-verbal mode of communication is there. We do in every single aspect of our interaction with another person. It is like mirror that tells us what the other person thinks and feels in response to words or action. So these three persons, hand tidy, and they are saying something. Okay. Body language matters. It must be positive, aggressive, cool and calm. Nervous, scared, active, passive, dull, negative, and weak. So positive answers. Suppose if anybody question you, if you give the appropriate answer, then it is a positive one. And if you answer in a calm and clear way, it will be pleasant to others to listen you. Don't get nervous while saying the answers. Don't scared with the things that will disrupt your answers. Be active, be prepared to say the answer which is appropriate to the situation. Suppose if it is passive or dull answer, that will create some intuition to trigger you. And if it is a negative answer, that also creates a trigger. The other side of communication, that is listening. So in first picture you see that girl is saying something, but that boy closes his ear. So he is not ready to listen her. So messages must be received as well as sent. Received, sent. Here you see this picture. This girl is speaking to him. He is listening and he is saying some answer. The first picture, not ready to listen her. The second picture, there is a conversation between these two. What is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication is communicate with others without words. It is a process of communication through sending and receiving. Where it becomes an important. From this graph, you can see non-verbal communication is reaches a higher percentage than verbal communication. Non-verbal communication comes as a factor of facial expression, tone of voice, movement, appearance, eye contact, gestures, and postures. But verbal communication, it is in your daily life, the verbal communication is around 35%. And from this graph pie chart, you can say non-verbal communication has a cultural